Hey MB crew, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm starting off on old hair actually, y'all, and I'm just spraying it down with some water, and then I'm gonna go ahead and part the front section from the back section of my hair, as you guys can see me doing here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just kind of make sure the hair is even all the way across. Moving along to the front section, I pinned the back section back, and I'm just kind of doing a diagonal part down the center of my head, kind of like leveled off though. It's not exactly at the center of my head, and I'm just using my rat tail comb. So I'm going to be using this Suave leave-in cream detangler. I'm just going to spray a little bit of that on my hair just to make sure my hair is detangled, and then I'm just going to make a part, and we're going to go ahead and start braiding. And I did use some hair milk on the ends of my hair just to make sure my hair was moisturized, and then I went ahead and detangled the section, and I'm just going to start braiding. If you don't know how to do braids, you can do like twisties or flat twists. It's up to you, but this is what I decided to do. I'm literally just going to repeat the same steps. I'm only using a rat tail comb for parting purposes because it helps you get a really, straight part. And then I am using my wide tooth comb to detangle. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to braid the front section of my hair. It didn't take me long at all to braid the front section of my hair. It took about maybe less than 20 minutes, I would say. So yeah, this is a really quick and easy style to do. And what y'all seen me cut was a single strand knot. I just cut it out my head. So it's always useful to have some scissors around, because you never know when you need to, cut out a tangle or something. Alright, so now I'm starting on the other side of my head, and I'm literally just going to make the braids go in the opposite direction, as you guys can see. Right, so moving on to the back section of my hair, I'm just going to spray it down with some water. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my wide tooth comb, and I'm going to make the part at the center where the parts are in between the braids. And I'm just going to part all the way down the back of my head. As you guys can see, I'm just trying to make sure I get my part as straight as possible, because I am doing this by myself. And I think I did a pretty good job with the parting. So yeah, y'all, that's what you want to do. And then I'm just detangling my hair just a little bit on the ends, because I want my hair to go up really smoothly. I'm going to be using the Edge Booster Styling Gel. Y'all know it's my absolute favorite gel at the moment. Like, I can't get enough of it. And I'm literally just going to brush the hair going upward and make sure it's really smooth and sleek. And that's what I like about this gel. Like, it gets your hair so sleek so quick. Like, you don't have to do that much work. And then I'm literally just going to, put that section of hair into a little bun, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I just added the braids into the bun as well, and they all reached. They didn't fall out or anything. I didn't pin them, guys. I just literally put them in the bun. Now that I have my hair in the ponytails, I'm just going to make sure everything is still smooth and sleek how I want it to be. I just added a little bit more product, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my scarf. Now, I did sleep with my hair like this overnight. You can go right into finishing this out if you would like, but yeah, I just decided to wait until the next day. My hair is going to be all nice and set. Alright, so it's the next day, and before I put on my makeup, I like to do my baby hair. So I'm just using some of the Edge Booster pomade, and I'm just going to lay down my baby hairs. Now this step is definitely optional. Like I always tell you guys, you don't have to do this. You can just brush your baby hair all the way back if you would like. So you know gel can make your hair dull, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is spray some oil sheen all around my hair just to bring that sheen back. As you guys can see, my hair is super sleek. So today we will be using the clip-ins from CurlsCurls. These are the Afro kinky clip-ins. They come with 10 in one bundle, and you can do a full style with one bundle. So I'm just using that clip-in that has 4 clips in from the bundle, and I'm literally just wrapping it around my ponytail. And I'm going to use another clip-in that has 3 clips on it, and I just like clip it at the base of my real hair, and then I just wrap it around, as you guys can see. And I'm literally just going to pin it into place with some open bobby pins, and then I'm going to do the same step on the other side of my head. But y'all, I've had these clip-ins I think since November, and they're holding up really good. They are of great quality. I just go ahead and shampoo them or co-wash them whenever I need to. And you can do multiple styles with clip-ins. They're very versatile, so that's what I like about them. You can wear them up, you can wear them in buns, you can wear them in ponytails. These clip-ins that I have are in 14 inches. They do come in different lengths. So I'm just going to take some of the hair from out of the ponytails, and I'm going to wrap them around the base of the ponytail so that the tracks aren't showing, and so we can have like a flawless finish. And I'm literally going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I did co-wash this hair, so this hair is freshly washed. And a lot of times to move it around, all you need is some water. So I'm just going to use some water to like move it around and get the hair to shape how I want it to look. This is how the first look turned out with the braids. I think it's so cute. It's perfect for back to school if you guys have kids, or you guys can even wear this style. I love it so much. It is just so cute and flirty and just something different, you know what I'm saying? And as you guys can see, the hair has so much body. So I went ahead and decided to do 2 little space buns. I thought that would look really cute as well as another option. So I'm just going to twirl the hair around like in a donut and then basically just pin it into place. This style will last you about a week or more if you just tie it up every night, which I love. It's such an easy style. You can get up and go. You don't got to worry about your hair or anything. You can just be out the door. Once you get them all shaped up how you want them to be, I went ahead and added some little hair jewels, and this is how the final style turned out. Super cute. I love it. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out CurlsCurls. Everything about them will be linked in the description box below, as well as the hair that I'm wearing will be linked in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!